Hello and welcome to a new video on our channel. Today we are reacting to trailer 2 of Yudhra movie. Talked about Siddhant Chaturvedi previously. On our channel, he's one of the budding Bollywood actors and he's in the movie. So let's go take a look and we can discuss further at the end.
Okay.
It's a short video, just 1 minute long.
Oh yeah, 1 minute, it's short. Oh, whoa, okay.
We've seen one of the trailers.
Yeah, this is violent scene. It's a cool scene.
Oh, this guy was in the Kill movie, yeah.
Ooh, I don't like that. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, I've seen that before and I still don't like it. Oh. September, yeah, really soon.
A lot of good movies releasing in September and October. I don't know, is it the timing? Not sure, but we have plenty of movies lined up for release in
this
Bollywood and
really
in Indian cinema overall.
Yeah. A bit too violent for me,
yeah.
but like
this guy is really cool. I like him. Just the naturally, he has this cool character. So when he speaks, it's funny. I mean, because of his coolness in the character. So that's something I would look for in the movie.
I really like the scenes, like all the effects and the stunt and all. It's pretty impressive, right?
Pretty impressive. And I want to talk about the guy who has played the negative role. He played the negative role in also Kill. It's one of the movies we should really watch on the channel. React to the whole movie.
I'm already guessing by the title that it's a movie where
it's an action movie. Really well done action movie. And in my opinion, I've already seen it, but I'll watch with you again. And I have to say it's one of the best Indian action movies like ever. So we should watch it together.
Yeah, sure.
So that guy is playing the negative role here. So yeah, that's also something I look forward to. And the actress, she's new to her Bollywood. I also like cinema, Indian cinema in general. But she has a lot to offer.
It's a pretty good start for her.
Yeah.
Because it's a pretty serious movie, so.
Indeed, yeah. Yeah. This is
looks pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm surprised they're coming out with such a short video so close to their release.
I don't know, yeah.
Because I feel like usually
it looks a bit unprepared, the video, right?
I don't know if it looks unprepared. It's just I feel like for a movie who's coming literally this month, they don't give us much.
Because you look at the movie, the previous, the actress, she has a big role to play. And it almost looks like he's protecting her, right? Like, if you look at this particular, the scene or the video or the photo you have, it looks like he's protecting her.
Yeah.
But you don't see her in the entire
it's really short. Again, my point was that it's really, really short.
Yeah.
So they just packed a lot of good scenes, like action scenes that are really catchy.
Yeah.
But I feel like for, again, a movie that is coming out so soon, I feel like it's a bit short.
Yeah.
But I guess maybe it's their strategy. I don't know.
Also, I feel like the negative guy, I told you about him, right? He got a lot of recognition from the other movie. And that's why I feel like he got a lot of screen time in this particular trailer.
They are good. He's a good advertisement, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Looks promising.
It looks really good.
Yeah, I look forward to watching the actor, the actress, also the guy who's playing the negative character. Maybe his name is Raghav Juyal. I'm not sure, but anyway, thank you so much for watching our reaction. And if you let us know in the comment section what you think about the movie or the trailer rather. And also, if you have any recommendations, please let us know. We would be really happy to react to those videos. Okay, guess have a good day and
bye.
Bye.